Over the course of the last 10 years, we have been participants in enormous shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. As the year 2022 draws to a close, cryptocurrency traders all over the world are living through their worst fears as the FTX continues to collapse and the value of the cryptocurrency market continues to fall. The cryptocurrency market is oversaturated with multiple digital assets, each of which may provide a unique set of advantages over Bitcoin in certain circumstances. However, if we look at the projections for cryptocurrencies in 2023, we can assume that the market will return and that the moment to invest is probably right now. Bitcoin. Despite the volatility of the market in January 2023, Bitcoin has continued to be one of the top cryptocurrencies for investors to put their money into. Similar to many other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin runs on blockchain technology, which records network transactions in a digital ledger. In spite of Bitcoin's growing popularity over the past few years, its price has been extremely volatile. In contrast to a number of other tokens on this list, Bitcoin's design, use case, and value require very little explanation. Many people feel that it might be a solid hedge against inflation, in addition to the fact that it is primarily regarded as a value-preserving investment. Bitcoin is one of the cryptocurrencies that investors will want to pay special attention to in 2023, since it is widely believed that the cryptocurrency sector will have a prosperous year. Dogecoin. The adoption of Dogecoin can be attributed to a large number of different variables that are now widespread. As a result of the tireless efforts of the entire team, Dogecoin has become an integral part of every collection. This cryptocurrency, in contrast to most others, does not have any restrictions on how many of it may be produced. As a result, this allows the value of the cryptocurrency to decrease as the supply continues to expand. Furthermore, Dogecoin's community-driven development and generous donations from both the team and the community have helped to create a strong foundation for continued growth that has made Dogecoin a desired digital asset. XRP. The next popular token on the market is one that has been around for a far longer time than any of the other cryptocurrencies on this list, with the exception of Bitcoin. Some people could argue that Ethereum would be a better alternative, but XRP has one important development that might potentially spark a large rise in price, and that is the case that it is bringing against the SEC. The legal battle between Ripple and the SEC has been going on for a very long period, and throughout that time, both parties have exchanged a number of salvos. The case is the most high-profile one now being litigated in the industry, and it will establish a significant standard for cases to come in the future. The verdict might very well rule in favor of Ripple, which is excellent news for everybody who has invested in XRP, as well as the cryptocurrency world as a whole. This should surely exert upward pressure on the market, and the XRP cryptocurrency has already seen some significant upward movement so far this year. The XRP coin is going to move in some direction, regardless of the outcome of the case. Hopefully for the crypto community, this will end well for Ripple. Web3. Even if the majority of projections are based on historical market performance, some forward-thinking innovations such as Web3 and cryptocurrency decentralization may project a larger bull run than many industry analysts predicted. This would make it possible for users to trade at considerably higher speeds without the involvement of intermediaries such as banks or governments, which will have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market. Moreover, as the crypto market continues to evolve and decentralize, other new technologies would greatly benefit from these developments. Cardano. There are a number of other perks that come with holding Cardano at this time. During the course of the previous year, the cryptocurrency finished changes that made it possible for it to advance in the realm of decentralized applications. According to CoinGate's research, Cardano was one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies that were utilized in most transactions. Therefore, more and more individuals are making use of Cardano. Finally, the developers of Cardano are also working on an interesting new feature that has the potential to make the network one of the quickest available in the market, and the feature is called the Hydra Head. However, Cardano is a relatively young company with substantial upside, and its method of growth provides some stability, and that may make Cardano one of the most in-demand players currently available. Yeah, that's all for today's episode. Also, if you liked the video, be sure to click the thumbs up button, and if you are looking for more interesting content, then hit the subscribe button for future updates.